Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the remaining problems in exercise 6 from the chapter fractions. Okay. The first question is the word problem. In a long jump competition, Ballab jumped 3 by 10 meter. Ballab jumped 3 by 10 meter and Maninder jumped 1 by 5 meter. How much more did Ballab jumped than Maninder? We can, by seeing the number, we can say that Ballab jumped more distance than Maninder. We are going to find out how much more. For that, what we have to do? We have to subtract these two fractions. Okay. So, solution, distance jumped by Ballab is equal to 3 by 10 meter and distance jumped by Maninder is equal to 1 by 5 meter. Now we are going to find how much more distance Ballab jumped than Maninder. For that we are going to find the difference of these two. Okay. Difference is equal to, we are going to subtract 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5 meter. Here see the fractions. These two fractions are mixed fractions. First we have to convert it into improper fraction. So 5 tens are 50, 50 plus 3, 53. 53 by 10 minus 4 5s are 20, 28 plus 1, 21. 21 by 5 meter. Okay. These two fractions are unlike fractions. So by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers, we have to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions. So LCM of 5 and 10. See, 10 is the multiple of 5. So we can take 10 as the LCM. Okay. Now we have to convert the second fraction with the denominator 10. Okay. So the second fraction is, first fraction is 53 by 10 minus the second fraction is 21 by 5 meter. No need to change the first fraction. So we are going to keep as it is, minus in 5 table when you will get 10, 2 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by 2. 21 into 2 we will get 42. Now these two fractions are like fractions. So we can subtract the numerator, 53 minus 42 divided by 10 meter. Here 3 minus 2, 1, 5 minus 4, 1. So we will get 11 by 10 meter. Here 11 by 10 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 11 only one time 10 is there. So 11 minus 10, that is 1. So we have to write in the form of quotient remainder by divisor. So the quotient is 1, the remainder is 1 divided by 10. This is the difference between these two given distances. Okay. So Balla jumped 1 by 10 meter more than Maninder. Okay. Let us write the answer. Balla jumped 1 by 10 meter more than Maninder. Is it clear, children? The next question. Alam bought 5 2/3 kilogram of fruits. On reaching home, he found that 1 4/5 kilogram of fruits were rotten. Okay, spoiled. Rotten means the fruits were spoiled. How many kilograms of fruits were not rotten? We are going to find the remaining fruits which are in good condition. Okay, so totally he bought 5 2/3 kilogram of fruits. Out of this, 1 4/5 kilogram of fruits were rotten. To find the remaining fruits, what we have to do? We have to subtract. Okay, let us start the solution. Here quantity of fruits. Alam bought is equal to how much? 5 2/3 kilogram. Then quantity of fruits were rotten. Is equal to how much? 1/4 kilogram. Now we are going to find the quantity of fruits were not rotten. For this, from the whole quantity we are going to subtract the quantity of fruits rotten. Okay, so 5 2/3 minus 1/4 kilogram. Here these two fractions are mixed numbers, so we are going to convert it into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 17, that is 17/3 minus here 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5/4 kilogram. Here these two fractions are unlike fractions, so we have to convert it into like fractions. For that we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers, so the product of these two numbers is the LCM. 4 3s are 12. 12 is the LCM. Now we have to convert these two fractions with the denominator 12. The first fraction is 17/3 minus 5/4. Okay, in 3 table when you will get 12? 3 4s are. So we have to multiply the numerator number 17 by 4. Okay, here 4 7s are 28, 8 here, 2 carry over, 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 6. We will get 68/12 minus in 4 table when you will get 12? 4 3s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. 3 5s are 15. We will get 15/12. These two fractions are like fractions, so we can subtract the numerator. 68 minus 15 kilogram. Okay, 68 minus 15, 8 minus 5, that is 3, 6 minus 1, that is 5. 53/12 kg. Here see the fraction 53 is greater than 12. The numerator is greater than the denominator. This is an improper fraction, so we have to convert it into mixed fraction. For that we have to divide the numerator number by the denominator. In 53 how many 12s are there? 4 times 48. 5 times 60, which is greater than 53. So we are going to take 4 times. 4 times 48. Now we have to subtract 53 minus 48, that is 5. So this is quotient, this is remainder, and this is divisor. Okay, so quotient we have to write in the form of quotient remainder by divisor. So that is 4 quotient remainder by divisor. Okay. So these kg of fruits were not rotten. Let us write the answer statement. 4 5 by 12 kilogram of fruits were not rotten. Was it clear, children? The next question, of the 4.5 liter of milk brought in the morning, 3 by 7 liter was left at the end of the day. How much milk was used? Here in the morning they bought 1 by 2 liter, that is 4.5 liter of milk. At the end of the day 3 by 7 liter of milk was left. Now we are going to find how much milk was used up. So we have to subtract from the total quantity they bought. From the total quantity they bought, we have to subtract the capacity of milk left at the end of the day. Okay. So let us start the solution. Capacity of milk bought in the morning. How much? That is 4.5 liter. Okay. Here capacity of milk left at the end of the day. Is equal to 3 by 7 liter. Okay, now we are going to find capacity of milk was used up. Capacity of milk used up. For that, from the total quantity they bought, we have to subtract the capacity of milk left at the night, that is 3 by 7 liter. Here the first fraction is a mixed number, so we are going to convert it into improper. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2 minus the second fraction is 3 by 7 liter. Now we have to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers. So LCM of 2 and 7. Here see the numbers 2 and 7 are prime numbers. So the product of these two numbers is the LCM. 4 7s are 14. So 14 is the LCM. Now we have to convert these two fractions with the denominator 14. So in 2 table when you will get 14? 7 times. So by the same number 7 we have to multiply the numerator. 9 7s are 63. So the first fraction is 63 by 14. In the second fraction the denominator is 7. In 7 table when you will get 14? 7 2s are. So 3 2s are 6. We will get 6 by 14. Now we have to subtract the numerators. So 63 minus 6. Here 3 minus 6 we can't subtract. So we have to borrow from 5, 6. 6 will become 5. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 6, that is 7, 5. 57 by 14 liter. Okay, now this is an improper fraction. We have to convert into mixed number. So we have to divide the numerator by the denominator number. Here in 57 how many times 14 is there? 14 3s are, let us check with 3 times. Here 12, carry over 1, 42. Let us check with 4 times. 4 4s are 16, remainder 1. Yeah, 56. We are getting 56 in 4 times. So 4 times, that is 56. While subtracting these two, we will get 1. So we have to write in the form of quotient, remainder by divisor. What you will get? Quotient is 4, remainder is 1, then the divisor is 14. So 4 1 by 14 liter of milk was used up. Let us write the answer statement. 4 1 by 14 liter of milk was used up. Was it clear, children? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.